your trash can is a dirty job. You need clean cans. It's easy. Visit cleancans.com, select a plan. Tell us where to go, and we come to you on trash day. Never worry about that filthy can again. The Clean Cans truck lifts your dirty trash can over our high-pressure, high-temperature rotating cleaning heads. The inside of the can is then cleaned and sanitized to kill any lingering harmful bacteria. Our deodorizer gets rid of that stinky smell. And when we're done, you're notified right away that your cans are clean. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleancans.com and get clean cans today. Your neighborhood can cleaning service.